Hello guys, my name is Pushkaraj. I am student of class 8. I am come before you to tell about the world costliest phone, which name is Falcon Supernova. Guys, you may be surprised the iPhone 6 is converted to the Supernova. How? I will tell you. So guys, the phone is made for the Japanese company. The phone Nova company make the Supernova Falcon phone for modify the iPhone with 200 diamonds, 24 karat pure gold and the back studded ruby diamond. They make the cost is very high. Guys, I have some question about the phone. Let us know what is the questions. First question is, who own the phones? Guys, at the report, the Nita Ambani, which the wife of Mukesh Ambani, owns the phone. And the second question is, what is the cost of the phone? So guys, that question is very important. The cost of the phone is approximately 351 crores. Okay, guys, you will surprise the cost. And the third question is, where is the phone is made? The phone is made in Japan. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Bye.